Hey guys, Wellness on Train Rail fans coming from the train building. We've got Plumber and his family, his wife Alex, and his son Charles, who is running his train. Hey Plumber! He made it safe. Charles is running his train on Grammy's Godzilla and Castle layout. Say hey, Charles! Say hey, Alex.
Hi.
Ray is running a new Steam. Where did it go? Oh, I'll have to get it. He's cheesing because he's running one of Plumber's steam engines. Charles, you really like that horn. Here it comes. Right near the drill. There's all stacked up on the tools. This is the one that Ray's running right now. It's actually Plumber's, but it's a Steam. And he's letting Ray run it. That's really cool, isn't it? He's so happy. This is so much of a family-oriented chaos building right now. And I'm loving it. I got my grandkid here. Got my best buddy and his wife. Why'd you stop it? Oh, he's helping Plumber reach something. Very cool. All right, well, we'll be making videos all week, but they haven't been here a couple hours and we're already out here.
Peace and locomotive grease.
There you go. End of the night video. And there's Ray running it. Plugging it in.
Plug it in, plug it in.
And getting it going. There it is. And I don't think I showed you guys. I did somewhat finish this. I've got to get the boats and people and trees and stuff still up. I just haven't done it yet, but I think it looked pretty darn good. So we're going to have a busy weekend, and we will try and do videos. See you in a little bit. See you tomorrow. Bye.